at what to say. I was given 15-20 minutes. So I look back at my experience and journey with Dr. John Maxwell, who mentored me for over 25 years. And I picked up from his 5 steps to leadership reproduction. The 5 M's of Dr. Maxwell for leadership reproduction. Raise your right hand, please. All of us in this room. All of us, can you raise your right hand? And tap the shoulder to your right. And say, makikinig ka, para sa iyo ito. Raise your left hand. Tap the shoulder to your left. And say, kanina pa ako nakikinig sa iyo kung nagdududa. Let's jump in. Number 1, if I'm going to reproduce other leaders for the future, I must model the way. I should do it. Right? Ako muna. Leadership by example. Maraming lumalapit sa akin. Buti ka pa, Anthony, mga anak mo na involved sa sports. Hindi ka gaya ng mga anak ko. Lahat na sa social media. Ah, ganun ba? Oo nga eh. Ano bang sekreto? Ang tanong ko, ikaw ba nasa sports? Ay, hindi. Busy. Busy. Our followers and children learn more by observation than through instruction. Raise your left hand. Come on, let's do this, let's do this. Let's engage, tap the shoulder to your left, and say, parang awa mo na, mag-exercise ka na. It was my cousin, Manny V. Pangilinan, who told me 20 years ago, Anthony, you're 20 years younger than me and you're not fit. He just beat me in a game called squash. I'm 60 today, he's almost turning 80. And he told me this, Anthony, fitness is not negotiable to productivity. Woo. Raise your right hand, tap the shoulder to your right, and say, mag-dieta ka na. Model the way. The highest form of leadership and hospitality is the quiet example you set daily. Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, a global hospitality partner. A twofold framework for my own personal growth as an influencer, as a leader, which I picked up over 40 years ago, shared by a mentor, is Psalm 78 verse 72. And I share this not from a religious or spiritual perspective, but from a leadership perspective. David shepherded his people with an upright heart and a skillful hand. Puso at kakayahan. Left brain, right brain. Inspiration, execution. Heart and hand. How is your heart today? Come on, ask your seatmate, kamusta na ba ang puso mo ngayon? Balikan mo siya, please be careful with my heart. Heart and hand. Marami kasi ang ganda ng puso, nasa na ang kakayahan. Ang problema naman ng iba pa na yung kakayahan, saan napunta ang puso. Buti na lang yung katabi mo, may puso at kakayahan. Look at that face beside you. Come on! Sabi niyo nga, di ba? The finalists are already winners. Congratulations. You should give yourselves another round of applause. I was in this conference, a branding conference in Singapore, and one of our speakers was the former CEO of Harley Davidson, Richard Teerling. Richard Teerling comes up on stage and asks us, so what do we sell? Ano sagot namin? Harley Davidson. Ano sagot namin? Motorcycles, big bikes, right? And then he said, you're wrong. What we sell is the experience of wearing dark shades, a black leather jacket, getting on to this mean machine, driving across town, and scaring the hell out of everybody. Kaya mahalin. You don't sell your institutions, you don't sell rooms, you don't sell functions, you don't sell events, you sell experiences. So the question is, what experience do you provide? What experience do I provide to people around me? Leadership, when all is said and done, Again, according to Maxwell, it's not your position. It's your disposition. Hindi ang title mo. Hindi ang position mo. Ang influence mo. Ang influence mo, ang dating mo. Because people who get along with you will go along with you. People who get along with you will go along with you. What experience do you provide? I wonder if you came across this, the 6 S's. Simple dapat, safe, synergized, business and leisure, special, sincere, at sulit. I love it. Sakto yan sa industriya ninyo, di ba? Simple lang. Dapat, safe, synergized, pwedeng negosyo, pwedeng pamilya, special, hindi nakakalimutan, sincero, at sulit. Service starts at the top. Leaders must act the experience they want guests to feel. Can you tell your seatmate in one word what experience you currently aim to provide the people that you serve today? Come on, tell your seatmate. Is it reliability? Is it joy? Come on. Is it safety? Is it trust? Is it companionship? Don't look at me, look at your seatmate. Tell your seatmate in one word, what is brand you? Not brand of your hotel, not brand of your institution. You, brand you. You must own one word in people's minds. And that is the example you set for others. Jack Trout Alves, positioning. You must own one word in people's minds. Number 2, after I model, if I'm going to reproduce, I must mentor. Spend the majority of your time with the top 20% of your people. Look at your seatmate. Top 20% po yan. Nice. Diba? Top 10 pa nga. Take them with you. Your apprentices, be proud of them. Show them off. Huwag natin ikahihiya ang ating mga apprentice. Yung ba kasi tinatago kasi baka magkamali. When you are proud of your apprentices and you show them off, they will stand 10 feet taller and face any giant in the field where they operate. You're not promising them that you're going to be the next boss. Maybe the mentorship is just for the next 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, right? But while you mentor an apprentice, be proud. I do it and you are with me. So the first step is I do it. Now, you do it. No, you and someone else is with you. I do it and you're with me. Isama mo sa lahat ng meeting, isama mo sa lahat ng event, pagyabang mo sila, show them off on stage, right? Then you tell them, watch me. We're gonna face down our most difficult client. Okay? Manood ka. And then you engage, and then you mess up, and then you lose the jacket, and then you tell your apprentice, that is what you will not do. Diba? At least by learning pa rin. Step 2 is to mentor. By the way, when you say 80-20 Pareto principle, you cannot mentor everybody, right? Only those most willing and able. Coaching, when you're a boss, is mandatory, right? You have to make sure everybody performs under you. But mentoring is a choice that you make alongside the apprentice. Natutuwa pa rin ako sa mga kumpanya na may mga mentoring program na walang choice ang apprentice. Ikaw ang apprentice ko. Excuse me, coaching is for winning the next championship. Mentoring is for life. So when you tell an apprentice, ako mentor mo, you have to wait. The apprentice has to say, sir, pwede bang ipag-pray ko muna? Because mentoring is mutual. And this is the question for all of us here tonight. How many people around you want to be mentored by you? Okay, let's go through this quick exercise. Would you close your eyes, please? Can you think of that one person who has poured into you the most in life? ibinigay sa iyo ang pinakamaraming leksyon, prinsipyo, pagmamahal. And perhaps you're most thankful for this one person for who you are today. When you see this person's face, can you open your eyes, please? Let me ask you this question. Do you agree that it'll be hard to say no to this person if this person was still alive, asking for a favor from you tonight? Mahirap siyang hindihan. Tama ba? In fact, there'll be very little things you won't do for this person, right? Now, think about this and hold on to this question. Can you imagine if 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 people around you felt the same way about you, the way you feel about this person? Can you imagine the impact of your mentorship? May that be a desire in our hearts. The people around us will want to be mentored by us today. Step 3, I monitor. So now you do it, you just reverse it. You see, I do it, you're with me, now you do it and I'm with you. If I'm going to produce leaders, kailangan pasahan ko ng trabaho yan. Kailangan i-delegate ko ang ilan. Kailangan i-monitor ko sila over time. Because leaders expect what they expect. How much time are we investing in monitoring our people today? Don't just train people, watch them. Give feedback, correct gaps, celebrate wins. Later tonight, my wife Maricel will be on a call with my son, younger son, Benjamin, who's actually in school in Switzerland, in the Swiss Alps, in an EHL certified institution called Villars Palace Academy, studying hospitality. He started in September. It'll be a 2-year program. But he already finished college, so this is the second course. So we advanced the cost, payable when able. But there are metrics every month that he has to meet. Every month that he has to meet for him to continue to receive monthly allowances from mom and dad. Whether it's about his grades, the online coaching sessions he has to attend with some of his mentors, or the way he uses his baon in the Alps. How are we monitoring our people today? Are we being humble enough to be monitored by our people as well? Let's reverse it. Reverse mentoring. Importante yun. I was running the 37th kilometer of the Berlin Marathon years ago. And I wanted to slow down. Kasi 5 kilometers na lang naman eh. I wasn't gonna quit. I just wanted to slow down. Besides, by that time, 37 kilometer, siguro 10,000 quit already out of the 50,000 runners. I wasn't gonna quit, I just wanted to slow down. When I closed my eyes, whose face do I see? Now my eldest son, Donnie. You know Donnie more than me. Yes. Why did I see his face? Because I remembered he was monitoring me. Every kilometer online, he was checking on my pace because, oh my God, I had a commitment to reach a new personal record with the Berlin Marathon. And then I realized at the end of the race, if I had slowed down, he would have asked me, Dad, what happened in the 37? And if I said, grabe, I was vomiting, I was cramping, then he would have said, wow, congratulations, you even finished it. Eh, wala namang vomiting, wala namang cramping. If he asked me what happened on the 37th, I would have said, Daddy got tired. And he would have said, Dad, everybody who runs a marathon gets tired. You quit on the goal of reaching a new PR, and he would have been correct. At dahil hindi ko siya maharap, I could not face him asking me that question, what happened? I pushed it and reached a new PR. Who are you accountable to? Who are you accountable to? there is no higher productivity without improved accountability. Raise your right hand, please. Come on. Tap the shoulder to your right and say, parang awa mo na managot ka. Raise your left hand. Tap the shoulder to your left. Managot ka sa asawa mo. Number one, I do it. Number two, I do it and you're with me. Number three, you do it and I'm with you. Number four, the most difficult, especially to a Filipino leader, is you do it. I move back. You move forward. Ako, mahirap to. Kasi wala na ang I dun sa fourth step. At lahat ng Pilipino gustong parating nasa picture. But this is where explosive growth happens. Only here, when you allow the apprentice to start leading by himself or herself. Ito yung mga panahon na dapat you step back and you purposely don't show up in the next meeting. Ganon. Huwag ka magpakita para siyang mapilitan mag-facilitate. Ganon yun. Ang iba kasi, nagising ng alas 8, may meeting ng alas 9. Dumating sa meeting, late na. Nagsosorry ka. I'm sorry, I'm late. And then ang sagot sa'yo, it's okay, ma'am. We did well without you. Okay, ang problema ng iba, magagalit, di ba? Sana man lang pinadala niyo ako ng link at nakipag-zooman lang ako. Or you could have at least waited for another 15 minutes. Excuse me, that's the whole point of leadership development. You should be congratulating yourself because now you are a leader, not just of a follower, but another leader. Now you have more time. You have more energy. You have more resources to invest somewhere else, perhaps other leaders. Ito pala ang step 4, ang sekreto ng yumayaman. Kasi nagmumultiply na ang nasa ilalim niya. At sa bawat nakakasara, may override siya. Sino gustong yumaman pa rito? Can you raise your hand? Ako lang ba? No, seriously, the development of leaders is the key to producing wealth for others. When they step up, you have more time and energy. Reinvest in other businesses or legacy building activities. Or perhaps now you have time to run your first marathon. I ran my first marathon when I was 45 years old. Maricel and I have run almost 20 international marathons in the last 20 years. Raise your right hand. Come on, tap the shoulder to your right and say, mangarap kang muli. Raise your left hand, tap the shoulder to your left, umibig kang muli. And finally, we multiply. That's the last step of developing leaders. Because now your apprentice is a mentor to another apprentice. Are you with me? Many years ago, there was this young man who sold me everything he could sell me. For my house, for my car, for my family, lahat ng pwede niyang ibenta sa akin, binenta niya sa akin. And then after a while, he said, Anthony, can I attend your seminars? I'll just be behind taking notes. I go, okay lang. Every seminar he would attend, taking notes. After a while, sabi niya, you have a marriage seminar, can I attend? Yes, wala ka pa namang asawa, but future. Okay. Then once he called me, Anthony, meron ka ng parenting seminar sa Pampanga? Meron. Wala ka pang asawa, wala ka pang just to prepare. Take notes. Okay. Pwede rin bang makisabay? Nakisabay pa. Last week, or was it 2 weeks ago, I guested in his podcast. And we talked about the journey together. Hindi ko na mabayaran yun. His first seminar with me, he was my icebreaker and I paid him 3,000 pesos. Sabi ko, notes ka ng notes dyan, magpatawa ka nga. Ngayon, hindi ko na mabayaran yun. Because I'm talking about Chiquita, who at the age of 10 said, hindi ako papayag na lumaki sa hirap ng ganito ang mga anak ko. The joy in my heart seeing this apprentice now be a mentor to millions of others. There is no joy like it. A leader's job is to produce more leaders, not more followers. But don't worry, sa level 5, kahit wala ka na, nandiyan pa rin ang picture mo. Tapos, meron pang bulaklak tsaka kandila. Because they celebrate you, because it all started with you. Raise your right hand, please. Let me wrap up. Tap the shoulder to your right. And say, see you in level 5. Raise your left hand. Tap the shoulder to your left and say, nasa level 1 ka pala. Actually, you will always be in level 1. Right? You don't skip any of these. To one person, you're just showing them how. To another, you're already mentoring them, right? To become a leader. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40 people in different levels, right? Of the journey with you. Let me close with this. So, I actually shared this in a post, but I didn't show the picture. Now I'll show you the picture in a while. So this is my first triathlon. I joined my first triathlon because all my clients were in it. And they said, Anthony, sama ka. Siyempre nandyan lahat ng negosyo, sumali ako. By the time I registered, doon ko lang nalaman. Kaya sa tinawag na triathlon, dahil 3 event siya. Oh my God. I almost drowned. This was in Anbaya, in Subic. I made it. The hills, puti na lang, you can walk up on the bike and then, whee, go down. Run, wala na. So I made it to the exit, quietly. Made my way to the exit. Kasi maraming press, maraming media. Baka sabihin, nakita namin si Anthony Pangilinan, DNF. Ano yung DNF? Did not finish. When I thought I had crafted my perfect escape, what do I hear? Dad! Oh my gosh. My then eldest daughter Ella. Don't quit! You're still not the last. Can you imagine? The inspiration? Hindi pa daw akong huling participant. Well, I don't care if I was the last. Come on, when your daughter tells you not to quit, you better not quit, right? I don't want to show this picture because it's not about my daughter. Okay, so let's not show that anymore. Not this, not this. I decided to shift. Thank God I didn't quit. Because 5 years after, Ella was running her last Iron Kids race. She was 15 years old. She had fallen 3 times in the bike route because it was raining. And she started running like this. And then I went to her and said, Ella, are you sure you want to do this? You know what she said? Just like you, Dad, I will not quit. And because she didn't quit, she won the gold. I just finished my race. She finished first place. This is not about you. The night is not about you. It's what others will do after you. Because today, they're watching you. And the amazing thing here is, guys, they will do better than you. But isn't that the whole point? Isn't that the whole point? That we shine in an increasingly dark world. In an increasingly dark